Good morning, everybody. So good morning if you're at home and good morning if you're in school. I hope you all had a good weekend, and we're going to do our phonics this morning. So we're going to look at this sound today. So sometimes it says when you learnt it in reception it says but sometimes it says you. Like the name of this letter is a U, and the sound it makes is a U sound. So we're going to look at some words where this letter is making a U sound today. So remember that when you're sounding out, when you see this letter, it needs to say U, okay? So let's sound out some words. Here we go. So here's our first one. Sound it out for me. U, I. Music, you're right, music, well done. Here's a bit of a longer one, let's have a look. Numeral. I think actually, should that be numeral? Do we say numeral? Numeral. We say, write your numerals down, don't we? Well done. Okay, next one. This is Miss Fother's favourite maths thing. Numicon. Go and get the numicon. Well done. Excellent. This one. Musical. Well done. And here's another one which kind of goes with the word musical. Tuba. Does anybody know what a tuba is? It's a musical instrument. It's a huge brass instrument that you have to sit down to play unless you're very strong. It's very big and it has a bell that goes up at the top like that. And our last word, museum. I went to the Natural History Museum and saw a huge dinosaur. Museum. Well done. So sometimes this says but sometimes it also says you. Okay, so let's have a go at writing your words then. A simple one to start with, tuna. Don't forget the U sound is being made by this single letter today. So can you write down the word tuna? I am having a tuna sandwich. And the word is not tuna, it is tuna. No, the U sound is made by just this letter today. Just this letter. Tuna. Okay, next word, human. We are all humans. Human. Let me just have a look at my, working really hard in my group. Human. 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 You've got an extra sound in the middle of yours. Human. Okay. Next one, 2-syllable words. Oh, in fact, this has got more than 2 syllables. It's got 3 syllables. Unicorn. Unicorn. You need the U for unicorn. Keep sounding it out. Unicorn. 6 sounds in that word. 6 sounds. Unicorn. Don't forget the sound. You've written unicorn. It's unicorn. We need the O sound. Okay, unicorn. And our last word is a really, really long word, so I need you to really concentrate. Have we done with unicorn? Yes, okay, this word, university. U-N-I-V-E-R-S-I-T-Y. And the sound in university is the ER spelling. The ER spelling. So university. And the E sound at the end of university is like the E sound at the end of mum E, dad E, Har E, Lil E. And we looked at that last week, so that's Miss Fother's top tip for you. University. 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 Good boy, Aaron, well done. This here, look, that I've written on the board. Right, watch Miss Fothers when I say it. Write that bit down. No, this sound that we're doing today. You. Well done. Oh my word, what a lot of sounds in that word. University. Right, let's have a look. Oh, it seems to have come unwritten. Let me just change that on there. Lovely. Okay, let's have a look at our first word. I'm hoping that everybody got this word. Did you all get this word? Yeah. So here we have tuna. I would like a tuna sandwich. Tuna. Our next word. I am a human being. Human. How are we looking? Is that looking good? Give yourself a tick or fix it if you've got your sound buttons in the wrong place. Okay. Next word. Here we go. Unicorn. Unicorn. How are we doing with unicorn? Did you remember the O sound in the middle? Did you choose the right O sound? There's quite a few O sounds, aren't there? Don't worry if you chose the wrong O sound, but this is the O sound. This is the spelling that you needed. So, the one that you learnt in reception. And our last really tricky word, if you've got this one right, I will be very impressed. University. 9 phonemes in that word. University. Well done. If you got that right, you definitely deserve a pat on the back. University. Well done. There's a hushed silence in Cobalt's group this morning. Are we all tired this morning? University. Okay? So, let's have a look at our sentence that I would like you to write. Okay, I would like you to write the sentence, Leeds United might win the cup in the future. Okay, so Quite a long sentence. Leeds United might win the cup in the future. Future. Okay, so Miss Sturks sticking her thumbs up. She's hoping that's true. The word might is in there, Miss Sturk. Okay, Leeds United might win the cup in the future. Remember that Leeds United is the name of a team. So let me just see. Excellent. It is a proper noun. Leeds United is a proper noun. Both bits need a capital letter. Leeds United. But a capital U doesn't quite look like that. It nearly looks the same, but not quite. In fact, I'm going to give you a tip there. A capital U looks like that. It looks like a little one, but without the tail. Okay, so Leeds United might win the cup in the future. Oh, and that sound from reception that we talk a lot about manure and cure. So you need to remember how to spell that. Future. Which we usually say very quickly and say future, don't we? But actually, if we talked like the Queen, we'd say future. Okay, so Leeds United might win the cup. Leeds United might win the cup in the future. Leeds United might win the cup in the future. Remember the your sound from reception. Okay. How are we doing? Are we nearly there? Leeds United might win the cup in the future. And please remember your capital letters where you need them to be. Okay. I have underlined our keywords in red that we cannot spell out. Just two thes in this word. So here we have Leeds United. Leeds needs a capital L, not just because it's the beginning of the sentence, but because it is the name of a place. It is a proper noun. Leeds, capital U, D. So we looked at the I sounds just made by the I think, a few weeks ago. So Leeds United might, and the I sound is the one that you learnt in reception. It's a trigraph. Leeds United might win the cup in the, and then here is the tricky bit. Your future. If we spoke like the Queen, it would sound more like it's spelt, but we don't. We say future, don't we? So, Leeds United might win the cup in the future. Future. How did we do with that? It was tricky, wasn't it? Yeah. Leeds United might win the cup in the future. Oh, I can see that some children on the carpet have done really well with that. It was a tricky one today. So sometimes this letter says but sometimes if that doesn't sound right, you can try U, which is also the name of this letter. Sometimes it says and sometimes it says U. Okay, Well done for your hard work today. And we will not be doing phonics tomorrow because it's sports day tomorrow, but I will see you again on Wednesday. Bye.